Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever worried about losing data in your Google Sheets or just want that extra peace of mind knowing all your info is safely backed up, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule automatic backups of your Google Sheets so you'll never have to manually copy or worry about accidental deletions again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have backups running automatically right in your Google Drive. Super simple, super secure. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to make sure you have an add-on called Sheet Director installed. This is a really useful tool that lets you automate all sorts of tasks with your sheets, including backups. If you haven't done this before, just click on Extensions in your menu at the top of Google Sheets, choose Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. From there, search for Sheet Director and install it. It'll just take a minute or two, and Google will guide you through the quick permissions setup. If you already have Sheet Director installed, perfect. You're already one step ahead. Next, let's jump into using the tool. Go up to Extensions again, hover over Sheet Director, and then click on Start. This starts up the Sheet Director sidebar where all the action happens. Take a moment here. Sometimes these add-ons take a second to load, but you should see it pop up on the right side of your sheet. Now in the Sheet Director panel, you'll see a section for App and Service. Here, where you'll get things set up for your backup. First, type in a name for this backup task, something that'll help you recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple automation tasks. For example, you could name it Weekly Sales Sheet Backup or even just Backup for June. Naming it clearly helps keep things organized, especially if you're juggling a lot of spreadsheets. For the next step, select Google Sheets since that's what we're working with. Then under Service, select Backup. This tells Sheet Director that the task you want it to handle is backing up your current sheet, not exporting, emailing, or anything else. Here where the magic really happens, scheduling. In the scheduler settings, you can set how often this backup will happen. Maybe you want it every day, every week, or even a custom time frame that fits your workflow. Think about how often your sheet changes. If you update it daily, a daily backup might work best, but if it doesn't change that often, weekly could be perfect. Don't worry if it's your first time setting up automation. A little trial and error is normal here. Just pick a schedule that makes sense, and you can always adjust it later. Once you're happy with your settings, it's time to execute. Click Execute and Sheet Director will kick off your backup task. From now on, it'll run automatically at whatever intervals you chose. That's all there is to it, and you won't have to lift a finger moving forward. But before you celebrate, it's always worth double-checking that everything is working as expected. Head over to your Google Drive and look for the backup. It should appear with the name you chose earlier. If you see it there, congratulations, your sheet is now safely and automatically backed up. So that's it, automatic hands-off backups for your Google Sheets using Sheet Director. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips you use to keep your data safe. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. See you in the next one.